today I have got an exciting video. I have got a new Lookfantastic scent edit to unbox for you guys. It's in this like an actual Lookfantastic beauty box, but if you don't know what the Lookfantastic scent edit is, it costs £55. I do have a coupon code for Lookfantastic. It was working on this box, so I lucky enough got it for 43. So it's always worth trying my code, but my code only lasts for the first couple of hours. So when I share it on my community on my Instagram, you have to snag it up. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, or it's worth following me on Instagram, because as soon as I notice this is available and as soon as I notice that my code works on it, I always share it on my Instagram. But even at the £55 mark, it's definitely worth it, because you get all the mini fragrances and then you get a £55 voucher which you can then swap in for a fragrance. I've swapped mine in already. You get an online voucher now through your email. I swapped it in straight away and I got myself Blanco and Lookfantastic, if any of you are curious. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for that to be delivered. But I'm going to show you what's in this box, and anyways, for those that are curious. Sometimes you get smaller fragrances like these. So the first one I've got here is the YSL Libre, but this is the new one, the Le Boost Platine one. This is it here. I'm not the biggest fan of the original Libre, but my friend Sharon says this one is nice, but we will see. I'm going to read the notes and stuff. And then we've got the Giorgio Armani sample of the Intense one. These are like just little like 1.2ml samples. That's in there. I do like Giorgio Armani. So we have got two like purse sprays, which is different. It's quite exciting. So the first one we've got here is the Alien purse spray, and I actually got Alien for my niece for Christmas or her birthday this year, and I don't know what she thought of it. So this is what it looks like here. I thought Alien's liquid was purple. It smells really quite nice. I can kind of get away with Alien, but I'm not the biggest fan of like Mugler fragrances. Then we've got one in this. Oh wait there, what size is that for you? That's a 10ml, so that's a good size, isn't it? Another one in this style here, and we have got Lookfantastic. Oh, I've just gotten a full size, so I might keep this as a gift for somebody. I was literally like had that much left of Lookfantastic before I swapped in my voucher. So I'm quite excited about having a travel size and a full size, but we will see, Then next you're getting a YSL Libra. So this is the original one. I can tell by the bottle it's nothing different about it, you know. And yeah, it's a little bit dusty off the little worms in the carton. And this is very much a personal preference. This is quite a strong fragrance. I feel like YSL is quite good in that sense for fragrances. It is a 7.5ml, so it's a good size, and the bottle is beautiful. I wish I liked it. I really wish I liked it, because the bottle is absolutely stunning. It's just not my, like, the scent is not my cup of tea, which is very rare because I like majorly every scent. Then we've got another Giorgio Armani C, which is just a small size, and this is what it looks like here. I've got a mini of this already, so this one. I've got mascara in my nail or something. My nail now looks mangy. So yeah, I've got this one here. I already own this from somewhere, but Giorgio Armani C is actually beautiful. This is a very strong, I would say, like going out, date night, like sexy sensual fragrance in my opinion. Like I think it's a beautiful fragrance. It would never be in my top 5. But it's just, I can see why people love this, and it becomes their like everyday, because it is a beautiful fragrance. I just think it's such a sexy sensual fragrance to me. And anyways, and then believe it or not, we've got one what was the Giorgio Armani? The Giorgio Armani was 7ml, by the way. And then we've got the Valentino Donna Bone and Roma, and this is a 6ml. Comes in a cute little box, and I actually haven't smelled this, so I'm quite excited about smelling this. Oh, how cute is the bottle! Oh, that is so cute. You guys know I love a mini fragrance. That's lovely. That is like a fragrance that is up my street. That fragrance is beautiful. It's like fresh and sweet at the same time. Oh, I quite like that, you know. I quite like that. I'll have to try that. I'm quite excited about that one. And that is everything you get in this box. Then you do get the £55 voucher to use on one of those fragrances. So I'll run through them again. So the minis are the Valentino Born in Roma, the C Giorgio Armani, the YSL Libre, and then we have got the Lancome La Vista belt, like travel size, but these are 10 mils, and the Alien one as well. Alien, yeah. Oh, sorry, that's Alien Goddess. I actually have not smelled this. So that's why it looked a different colour. Let's have a smell of this then. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Like, I could wear that. We've got Giorgio Armani C Intense. And then we've got the new YSL Libre Absolute Plantine. And that is what you get in this box. What do you guys think of this? I feel like these are fab. I love the scent of it. I'll link it down below for you guys. And anyways, if you do want to get this, the way I do it is I buy this, and then I normally, not this time because I was nearly out of my Lancome La Vista belt, I get this and then I swap in the voucher for perfume that's going to be a Christmas present for someone. But because I was so low on my Lancome La Vista belt, I actually just swapped it straight in for that, because I don't know what I would do without that fragrance. It's one of my favourite fragrances. It's in my top 3. So some of these minis are going to be maybe advent calendar days for family, because then I'll use this part as gifts and then I keep the big part for me. But that's how I normally do it. I normally buy the box, keep the minis as a treat to me, and then use the voucher for a Christmas present for somebody. It's definitely worth it in my opinion, because you're getting a gift in for somebody and it's like you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Is that the word? What a horrible metaphor. But yeah, you know what I mean. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below. I do lots of unboxings and things like that. So yeah, and I will see you all in my next one.